Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something called cultural capital. It's a big idea from a French sociologist named Pierre Bourdieu. He said that doing well in life isn't just about how much money you have, it's also about the things you know, the skills you have, and the experiences you've had with culture. Think about a family that goes to museums and concerts a lot. That family is building cultural capital. Their kids learn about art, history, and music from a young age, and that gives them a head start. Bourdieu said there are three kinds of cultural capital. The first is cultural capital, things like how you speak, the words you use, and even how you act. The second is cultural capital. This means the things you own, like books, instruments, or computers. The third kind is cultural capital. This is all about your official qualifications, like diplomas or certificates. Cultural capital is really important in school. Students with more cultural capital often have an easier time. They understand what teachers expect, they talk to teachers easily, and they learn new things quickly. Understanding cultural capital can help us make education fairer for everyone. Let's see how cultural capital works in a classroom. Imagine two 10th graders, Sarah and David, both studying Romeo and Juliet. Sarah's family loves the theatre and knows Shakespeare pretty well. David has never seen a play and mostly watches TV. When the teacher asks them to talk about a scene, Sarah can easily point out the important ideas and compare it to other plays she knows. David has a harder time understanding the words and what's going on. Cultural capital also affects how we talk. In class, Sarah might use bigger words than David, even if they both have the same idea. The teacher might think Sarah is smarter, but really, David just shows his knowledge in a different way. Even little things like how to talk to teachers or how to write a paper can be affected by cultural capital. Students from different backgrounds might not know these things, and that can make things harder for them. Cultural capital often works in ways we don't even see. Imagine Emily and Michael both working on a history project about World War II. Emily's family has visited important historical sites like Normandy. Michael mostly learns about history from books. Emily can use her memories to make her project really interesting. Michael has done good research, but his project might not be as exciting. Help at home is important too. When Emily has questions, her parents, who know a lot about history, can help her. Michael might only have his teacher or the library. This doesn't mean Michael can't do well in history, it just means Emily has a head start because she has more background knowledge and more help. This isn't about who is richer, it's about understanding that where we come from shapes how we learn. Understanding this helps make education fairer. Bourdieu's idea of cultural capital helps us understand why some students do better in school than others. It's not just about how smart you are, it's also about the things you learn from your family and your community. Seeing how cultural capital works is the first step to making education fairer. Schools need to give all students the same chances to learn about different cultures, no matter where they come from. This could mean teaching about different cultures in class, taking kids on trips to museums and historical sites, and helping teachers understand their own cultural biases. By understanding cultural capital, we can make schools a place where every student can do their best, no matter where they start. It's about making sure everyone has a chance to succeed.